Mom, are you ready for your surgery tomorrow?
Not really. I'm sorry we set that date for the 3rd. God sakes. We should have made it for after Christmas.
Wow.
Yeah, don't tell them what might happen. You know, they'll just, what is it? Mild surgery, okay.
Well, Mom, don't be too apprehensive about tomorrow. Like, everything should work out pretty good. They say it's only going to be 20 minutes.
Yeah, 20 minutes, yeah, but a lot can be done to you in 20 minutes time. I know of a case where the girl took her mother down to get her eyes tested. And when she came back out, her mother couldn't see. I said, well, what happened? She said they put some drops in her eyes. What? Drops? She was only supposed to get a check.
Right, she went for eye exam.
An eye exam. And her mother come out blind. So it's kind of scary. Scary.
Yeah, that is a little scary.
And what about that lady that went in to get the right leg taken off?
What happened to her?
They took her left leg off.
Oh, my God.
Major. So, yeah, I'm a little bit creepy. 20 minutes. I'm going out walking straight up and down. Got my knees all back in good shape, walking, dancing, having a good time. Don't you think we should postpone this until after the new year? I think we need to hold it over till after.
But these appointments are hard to come by.
I know. Yeah, Bill, what about the story you told me about the wrong diagnosis? Doctor come in the room, talking to the man and everything. What happened?
Yeah.
What happened?
I'm not saying this to scare you, but yeah, I remember a man, he just had gotten an operation. And I was in the room, and then the doctor came in the room. And the doctor, I'm going to show you. He went to he came right to the head of the bed, and he asked the man, he said, yes, sir, how you seeing me now?
No.
And so the man said, oh, okay. And then the doctor went to the side of the bed, and he said, how you seeing me now?
This is a patient in the hospital.
Patient just after operation.
Right.
He said, how you seeing me now?
So the patient don't know what the
The
doctor
patient didn't know what was going on.
Right.
And the patient looked up. I'm saying you okay, doc? So the doctor came all the way back around the other side of the bed. And then he's talking about,
No, Betsy.
okay, sir,
You got to
can you see me on this side?
Oh, no.
And so the man said, he looked up, he said, Doc, I ain't blind. I'm not blind, Doc. You got the, do you see who you talking to?
Oh, my heavens.
Check your charts. I think you got the wrong patient, Doc.
Did he have the right chart? He had the wrong chart?
I think he had the wrong chart.
See, I'm saying.
He didn't check the band. The doctor didn't check
he
the
didn't
band.
even check the patient's band.
And he had the wrong chart.
See, that's pitiful.
And man, it wasn't funny at the time, but oh my God,
That's really sad.
what the hell?
But I guess we got the date. It took us a long time to get this date. It's only going to take 20 minutes and be over with.
Oh, okay.
But I'm walking out like this here. Yeah, this is where I'm going out. No telling.
No telling.
No telling.
Why you say that, Mom?
A little shaky. I'm standing up straight now. But coming back, I might not even be able to stand up for Christmas. Don't you think we need to change the date?
Nah,
They
we might
probably
as
have
well
me
go
coming
through it.
back like. You know what? I don't know about this too much, baby. Well,
What you gonna do? You might as well get it done.
may as well get it done. There's some people check in and don't check out. I'm a little bit apprehensive about this, but I guess I better go on through it. What can you do?
Well, Mom, it's just a minor surgery.
Yeah, no, it's only supposed to take about 20 minutes. But you think I'm gonna be all right?
I think you're gonna be okay.
Okay. Well, let me straighten back up and stop making fun of myself. But boy, no telling. No telling.
The message here is, yeah, all surgeries whether minor or major, are going to be a little scary to everyone. But have someone there asking questions for you. Because I'm going to be there tomorrow.
Thank you.
And I will be asking, what kind of procedure are you doing today on my mother? And if the person ends up in the hospital, you have to make sure that the badge, the wristband matches the chart on the end of the bed, and make sure the doctor knows who he's talking to.
Thank you. Thanks, Betsy. I'm going to go on and get this procedure done. First thing in the morning, 7:45. Pray for me, folks.
Prayers going up.
Prayers going up. Thank you, because I don't want to end up backless.